a ball?
Yeah.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some tape. Ready?
Yay!
Pull it out. Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Use two hands.
Okay.
Go ahead, pull. Whoa. Whoa, a ball. Wow. Here, let me help you.
Wait.
This one's yours.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
That was yours.
Put this one in here.
Where's the other one? Where's the other? I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, it gets put right there. Good job.
I was going to say, can you move to that side?
Whoa! Good one.
I put it.
Put it together.
Great job.
Whoops.
Whoopsies.
Oopsies.
Here, it goes the other way.
Okay.
This.
Daddy, can you have him stand around the other side?
Facing you. Okay. Stand here.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
This.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Swing. Whoa!
Good job.
Look at you.
Try it again.
Okay. I have to hit it.
There you go.
I play a ball.
Yeah, let's try this way.
Okay.
Hands this way.
Okay.
There you go. Now hit it. Whoa!
Whoops.
It's okay. You did a good job.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got it.
Give it a big swing. Alright.
You did, Daddy.
Aiden's turn. Here, come over here. Stand over here.
Okay.
Whoopsies.
Oh.
This way. Give it a big swing. Big swing.
Whoa.
Alright.
You like it?
Yeah.